Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that beginners encounter when learning Rust. The problem revolves around understanding the restrictions on mutable and immutable references when working with variables in Rust. It can be a bit tricky to grasp at first, but fear not, we'll walk you through it step by step. Now, let's delve into the solution to this puzzling issue. In the code provided, we see how Rust enforces strict rules regarding the coexistence of mutable and immutable references. Remember, Rust's rule is not just about modifying data using mutable references while holding immutable references. It goes further to ensure that exclusive references cannot exist while shared references are still in scope. To illustrate this, let's consider how the compiler manages references in the code snippet. When a mutable reference is created and used, the compiler tracks its usage and ensures that it is dropped when no longer needed. Similarly, with shared references, the compiler handles their lifetimes accurately, allowing for a seamless flow of reference management. In summary, Rust's borrowing rules may seem stringent at first, but they play a crucial role in ensuring memory safety and preventing data races. By understanding how Rust manages references in their lifetimes, you'll be well equipped to write robust and reliable code in Rust. I hope this explanation has shed some light on the intricacies of mutable and immutable references in Rust. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Remember, keep coding and stay rusty. See you next time.